All right, so a composition transformation is going to have a couple of movements. A glide reflection is a composition or transformations. If we do two or more isometries, we're going to end up with an isometry. So anytime we start with an isometry and we do a transformation that is an isometry, we're going to end up with an isometry. All right, I love this example here. In this example right here, we're going to start off with the reflection. So here's our first reflection. And then we're going to reflect it again. So this is two reflections. Now in this case, instead of doing two reflections, we can just do one glide. So in this instance, we could say that if we have a composition of reflections in two parallel lines, so we had line 1's parallel, lines 2 parallel, then the translation is the same as if we just glided twice the distance as it is between the two parallel lines. And that makes some sense because when you reflect in the first line, it's going to be equally distant away from where it started, and when you reflect in the second line, it's going to go equal distant from the second line. So that's how you're going to get, you're going to have twice the distance. If you have a composition of reflections in intersecting lines, here's what's going to happen to that. So here we have the first reflection in the first line, and then when we reflect that in the second line that intersects that, it's obviously now not going to be a translation. But instead, the reflection in two lines that intersect can be done with a rotation. And that's what this example shows. You can, if you have two lines that intersect, and you reflect it once, and then you reflect it again, that's going to be the same as a rotation.